Mm. 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 This is so luscious, so delicious, sleeking, yummy, milky, and there was no milk, no dairy milk involved in this case. So this is hello friends, today we're having something delicious. Dessert. Oh my goodness, this is a childhood thing. We're gonna make Soursop popsicle. Yes, it's like this Soursop popsicle wanted to be made. So I found this. This is practically like they did all the work for me. This is the pop in here. Look, and you see the pop still in it. So this is Soursop. And this is how it looks like. I will insert a picture of a Soursop, the real one, the fruit itself, so that you guys can see what we're working with. I'm thinking summer is coming, spring is springing, and it's time for us to eat something delicious. But guess what? Still thinking of beauty inside out. We're going to eat it and we're going to love it, and our doctor's going to congratulate us for it. How about that? Okay, let's go. It's going to be easy, simple, and go. It's not going to take a lot of ingredients for this. The major ingredients is the Soursop. You can see the pulp. Come see it. That means this is the real deal. You see the pulp? Memories. Banana is going in. Banana. I went to Canada. No, I didn't. Finally, I got maple syrup. Remember, I was saying my. So as you like, if you want it to be sweet, add more. If you don't want it to be sweet, add less. So you catch it. So I'm putting oat milk. Okay, to stretch it, because that's how Soursop is expensive here, you know. So put the oatmeal, that's to stretch it. If you don't have oatmeal, don't worry. Don't say, oh man, I need oatmeal. No. Soursop, if you have a lot, that's it. Soursop, a little banana, a little thing to sweeten it, and you're good to go. Okay, let's go. Power on. Fetish. That's it. Popsicle is ready. I'm just chewing the Soursop thing. Pop. It's so stringy, it's like you're chewing gum. So that's why we have to blend it to break it down. So now that it's ready, use anything you want to use for popsicle. I want to make a huge popsicle for myself and for my friends. So normally there's a popsicle maker. We don't have it right now, so we're using this. I'm going to pour it in here. Bring it out next time. Our popsicle will be ready. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Thank you. Soursop popsicle on its way. And Soursop. Enjoy. Delicious. Oh my goodness. You must try this. I'm telling you, you must try it. It's so good. It's so good and so good for you. Vielen Dank. Tschüss, bis bald. Thank you.